Look at the sky here today in Rogers City, Michigan. I think we've got more snow coming today. And we're driving up on Lake Huron. So let's see what we can see. So let's see how far the ice has gone out. There's another car here. It's pretty desolate today. But somebody's here with me. Let's take a look at the water. Hang on. Look at all the ice. It all seems to be one color, and you can't see it as the color is brilliant as I'm seeing it. It is the softest blue. The sky and the water, it's beautiful. A very soft powder blue. I wish I could capture it. Hang on. Isn't that beautiful? Lake Huron. It's frozen so far out, I can't even see the waves. Look at the ice. It's definitely cold here. We've had sub-zero temperatures for about 2 weeks. And it shows in the water. Wow. Gorgeous. Everyone stay warm. Please subscribe and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.